Welcome to Trendy Unboxing. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start with the review. This is the sachet of Pantene Hairfall Control Shampoo. This shampoo comes along with another shampoo. The cost of this shampoo is Rs 2. They claim that they have given one more shampoo which is absolutely free. I think it's a trial pack. You can say that they have divided the cost of Rs 2 into Rs 1. They have used attractive colors to attract customer. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of the packaging. You will be able to see the name of the product, that is Pantene Pro V Hairfall Control Shampoo. According to them, it reduces hair fall. They have mentioned that due to breakage versus non-conditioning shampoo. They have given directions about usage of shampoo. Massage into wet scalp or hair gently and wash it off thoroughly with normal water. They have given their number as well as email ID where you can directly contact to them if you have any query about the product. The product is manufactured by Procter & Gamble Home Products Private Limited. This product is surfactant based. The product is manufactured on October 2020 and it's best before 18 months from the date of manufacturing. The net volume of this product is 4.5 ml. The package material manufactured by Ulfex Limited, Jammu registration. Now let's see why to use Pantene Hairfall Control. To be honest, it literally controls your hair fall problem and it solves your dandruff problem. Plus, it makes your hair shiny and silky. The fragrance of product is quite good. Product which may work for me might not work for you, and the review of products which I am posting on my channel are not sponsored by any brand. I purchased this product from my hard-earned money and then use it and makes review of it. So it's my personal opinion about the product. In your case it may vary. Both man and woman can use this shampoo. Don't use this shampoo for your kids as it contains chemical, and don't even use daily which may weaken the roots of your hair. You can use twice a week this shampoo. Remember, the shampoo comes in a trial pack, so don't even consider the other sachet as conditioner. You can use only one sachet for hair wash. So for a week, you are spending Rs 2 for your hair. So that's all in this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful. Thank you.